can't read, you know, I'm not going to Google things.
No, they might distract them oneself.
You see, I just listen what people are saying and run with it, you know.
But they reach out to and say, I never PMP stupid, you know.
No.
Stupid. I never PMP stupid.
PMP ever PMP stupid.
Have the mentality there that them being woodwinked. You know the word name? Woodwinked. And they start to looking at themselves. And the ambitious behavior start to kick in. And they want to act now because they might say, Jamaica have it to give. But what you going to do to get yours? What are you planning to do to get yours? It's not what your country can do for you, but it's what you can do for your country. The mindset there says a lot. And as a youth when even done high school, come out and thing, you used to run up and down behind the comrades. No, I never used to run behind comrades. Them the comrades, you just see. And I decided, no, it's not benefit me. Because my mindset, I can't guard my mind no more. Me at least out my mind to other people to tell me what to do. And I decided, no more. I eat this. To me, I know spitty. I'm proud to say I am a Jamaican. Pardon, me not labor right now. I'm not a PMP, but me a Jamaican. I only support the policy and the woman.
Yeah.
You know the difference?
Because you have sense and you have iron, your sister things are going, you're not blind.
Me no stop blind, and the blind man can see.
Brother, I'm still the one that see.
I see it. So me I said to myself, say, I am not a PNP and I'm not a GLP, but I support the policies
And where them are
of the
doing?
Jamaica Labour Party. So me say, me choose Jamaica.
Yes,
I have no way to choose. And the only choice that me have.
At any time, them not go and go do not support them either.
Then me say, me support policy. That means if you know go and go to the party, me not support your policy, you know.
Exactly.
We have things. I have nothing against them.
Right now, me there on the side where I do the right thing.
And I do the right thing for Jamaica, don't I?
Yeah. You know that me say? That me say, you know.
Hey.
The PMP that do the right thing and I do the thing for Jamaica for a long time. Way back home when them should have do the thing. I would have support.
Jamaica, me not sell out.
I would have support them same way. But we support fuckery. Not now go on.
No, so today I was on a live. Today I was on a live, you know, sweetie. And when we tell the people chastise me, you know. And all me I said to the people, I say, look, a lot of people living in Jamaica, you know, it's them themselves, it's them who don't fall, you know. It's how them think, you know, it's their mentality I hold them back. And the people them say, no, poor people you talk about, leave poor people. But we say, well, that's the problem. The life for them and live at them because the truth is, you have women, you know, we all say them poor, you know. I should go a party last night, I have fair Brazilian here, she have $90,000 feet, you know.
Yeah.
I should get up the next day, you know, and I say government makes you poor, you know.
And I have nothing for you.
Yeah, and I say to them, say, it's the mentality we want to live. It's the things them that are not doing to their own self and stop blame government. You know the worst thing everybody say me do, wicked because boy, me a cuss poor people and you know for say that. A woman come on, you know, squitty. I know no woman that talk about government to do this. I said to her, shake me here and talking, and I say, how much kids you have? She said, 4. I said to her, so before you have to cook the 4 kids, was you poor or after you have them? She did poor before she had them. So I said, lady, then wait. 1 is a mistake, 2 is a mistake, 3 is a mistake. Good God, you couldn't sit down and think so well, boy, something wrong with this. You have 4. And when you get up now, you're going to say you can't feed the pig now, is the government do it? Whose fault it is? Everybody start cussing, so I should me disrespect her and not only disrespect her, show me I show her the truth. You can't have nothing to put yourself and dig a hole deeper and deeper in your life. Help yourself out of it and stop blaming government.
I'm not sure government a breeder.
And that may show you, man, squitty come on, man. The woman, big woman in you have 4 children, 4 kids. Yeah? And you tell me, so when you reach 2 universities, so boy, your life now go good. You sit down there, have 3 and then have 4. And then sit down now, cost government, say government do this and government do that. Change your lifestyle. Yeah? A woman, squitty me, I tell you, a woman, most women that are successful, find out how much them have. Or find out how much time a week she go a one dance.
That's you, man.
I shouldn't have time for that.
Really,
And these people say,
Woman discussion.
yes,
Yeah,
we
to you
do.
one look story as you said that. Today, me love my party, bad. And me and my own boss. And today the whole heap of excitement on the road. Me could have lock up my business place because nobody can give me no chat. I'm gonna wake up this morning and my husband put her money in my hand. You know, we could have lock up my place and then on the road and say, Ray, and I do so behind my party and behind my MP and me choose to come and work. Cause guess what? Mountain is fast approaching. I'm still having business them to pay. So whatever my husband give me this morning is a plus. When me I make my own. So you have to have your priorities straight. Certain
Yes,
time.
somebody
Not
say-
that you don't want to go.
Somebody say,
Whatever.
"Honor everybody." But that is, you see, you still not understand the person who write a comment here. Now. What I'm saying, that is the problem. Is the people, the mentality, of how them
And
think
the
that is holding them
mentality,
back.
your
that
mentality,
a
because
holding
I could say I never have to come looking this morning. Put it that way, open discussion. I
Yes,
could have
of
gone
course.
on the road, go die,
You could have gone, yeah, and that.
and
You could have-
I never said
You could have laid down and sleep to go out dance tonight. And then get
Exactly.
up and blame people. That is the
And then
problem. Changing them
yeah.
life.
Cause guess what? The bill them don't stop come at the end of the month. You understand? And that some people don't understand. Government this, government that. What government for do? Come on, we yard, come and out money, give we everything what we need. And that government for do. And that is one discussion, remember I said this already, After this election, when Andrew, the Honorable Andrew Gold is winning, I want him to do a public in school. What is the role of government? Some too much illiterate people don't know the role of government. We need to get some education on these things.
But
And I'm not going to stop saying.
that's enough night, Enough time to read out the rules
Yeah.
of government.
Me not take what you say from you, But what the people them need to do is start to know the rule of their own lives.
No,
Well,
because
that's a true too.
people got their hands out, People got their hands out.
Start to know the role of your own life, where you want to go, what you want to do.
Yeah.
And start to stop doing careless things. You can't tell me, say, one is a mistake. Fine, me give you that. Two is a mistake. Fine, me give you that. Three is a mistake. Fine, me give you that. You still never know, say, you poor and have 4 picnic. And then you cuss government. And cuss me and say, wrong, me I tell you.
The government are breeder.
What? You're doing the wrong thing. That is what I try to say, and the people them feel, they understand me. I said, them rather cuss me and say, no, a wrong thing me I tell you. She must live her life.
Yeah.
How the hell you go a party last night and buy a Brazilian here for $90,000?
Yeah.
Eh?
Oh,
Remember, and I can guarantee you by this weekend again is a next year you have to go get for your next $90,000. How about if you use that $90,000 and buy 2 bananas and go sell or do something? Yeah? But you raise your life.
And go juggle them.
Yeah, and turn around and sell it. Yes, that's what I'm saying. But people don't think like that. And then now when things get rough for them, now them all sit down and say, boy, the government do this and the government no do that. Oh, you have to do that. It's your life.
Squitty.
That's right.
Squitty. Since night, me and a brother from America in some argument because the brother, the overseas and I say, the youth them are suffering in Jamaica, them are wipe car glass and them are sleep on the road. And me I say to the youth, me I say to the brothers, so me start telling them where I go and Squitty.
With them or they wipe car glass.
What I know Squitty, so me start explain to him about it. Him say, you never know them thing there. Me I make him know say, yo brother, the government are trying to take them off of the road enough, put them in a shelter, and to send them got hard floor in a tree and give them 60,000. Saying, and them refuse to want to be, brother. The people in Jamaica to start to run them with them and don't make them wipe on the car glass. It make the country look bad in a Squitty. And you say anytime people start to do that, them most of them have to go on the art, go learn a skill in a brother. Because that's a worthlessness what them are doing a Squitty. For them on the street and make people and make the country look bad like the government now do nothing to help them. The government are trying to help but them no want to go.
Yeah,
I agree with that.
That's why they have a bone for him and Damien, When we see him gone out, they go wipe car glass with the youth, them,
So we are calling up on the Jamaican and we are list right now. We are asking them to stop make the youth them wipe on the car glass, brother.
Yes,
Because
we
I encourage them.
You not encourage them to bring down the ratings of the country and make it look like so we have
right, say the right here. Bring down themselves.
They will bring down themselves, but when people, but when others are show other people outside of Jamaica, they believe they are true because they don't know the truth. So the Prime Minister are trying to help them youth here, to put them in a shelter and to send them to go learn a trade to uplift them life and I'll give them some money to buy them tool. And then prefer to have a little piece of sponge and them and a wipe off some of the car glass and chump chain, brother.
But watch out. If man like them and go down and dance them. Wait till.
Them not show you, brethren. Them
feel like a good thing them a do, you know, and the one left the street, you know.
That me I tell you about if the Jamaican people stand up on this side and say, yo, we'll stop them from wipe a car glass. Them have to learn a trade, brother. Them have to learn a skill, brother. And we are break them bad for do it squitty.
What wrong with that? You're not going to learn that skill.
When Damien go out there the other day, it's a van him should have go out there with, go pick them up and carry them, go sign up.
The man should have go out there and gather every one of them, keep a meeting with them in half a tree first, and make everybody here say my talk to them loud and clear. Then them have this big van and put them in and carry them to register. Who want to go with them?
Yeah.
That's what you should have done.
Yeah.
Because me I tell the youth in a squitty, me I tell the brother say, yo, no brother, you need to start promote it, tell the people them say, to make them stop and go and learn a trade. Go on at the shelter and make the government give the $63,000 you go learn a trade, brother. See, if we not do it, if we not put a stop to it, them nah stop do it squitty. Saying because some people want to see it happen, they say the government now help the youth them in Jamaica when they're not true. Saying I pay a lion and tell for the man, brethren, and stop it, brethren.
So yo, we can ask you something. So why government not up my factory and something and thing?
Then brother, remember you know.
Hold on. Let the brother you talk. Clive, hold on that Clive. Badness, what you say? Make badness start. Badness, what you say?
I say why Andrew not up my factory and something?
Hold on, Ian, hold on.
I'm private sector work factory, you know, sir. And I go and make one factory, you know.
I live at St. Elizabeth, I live, you know.
You live at St. Elizabeth, factory.
Which factory you want the government to?
What I'm asking?
Private sector work factory.
Hold on, look at that one there, but I'm nice up the thing.
One at a time. Who want to talk to him?
What
Let's want to talk to him. Hold on there.
All right, Badness. Just tell me which factory you want the government to work.
It's just some local skill and something, so local factory.
What are no badness? Come on, no badness, man. I make a rush your badness. There.
That is so like him can't read, you know.
No, don't skip it. We never disrespect badness.
A 68 save,
Badness, we know that, man. Because your reason, you start off good. But we don't make nobody give you a message to come across. All right, so badness.
No, I tell the brother here say me so like me carry me a 68.
No man, badness man, I get fed up.
Badness, oh yeah, talk. I could say that, brother.
Oh.
Yeah. Oh yeah, talk, you know. Me not say you carry so light.
Oh, I understand, man.
Government no
Oh, you come over talk, you know.
Government no open factories.
Basic.
Your party.
Let me ask you about that's where you come from. So that's where you come from. Which side?
I come from back Brisbane side, man.
Brisbane side.
So badness. If
Don't can't talk same time, man. One at a time.
But me just give two questions. Badness, me ask you again. Which factory you don't want the government to open?
Alright, in a Brisbane, Aki factory in the lockdown or something.
It wouldn't be government to sponsor that. It wouldn't be government to sponsor it. That be investors. So you have to make St. Elizabeth friendly for investors. So investors would have come in like me and you, would have come in and would have look at the government and say, you know, give with a piece of land there, we build a factory, do some tax break, and would have fit in. But you willing to take that risk, badness?
I'm willing to take that risk there.
Yeah, if you go to the government with an idea, if you open something at your factory, are you willing to?
Basic. This is something here. This is something here.
Yeah?
Is it a part of the
where's that thing going from?
Yeah.
Make him answer the question first, now. No, I'm tell you about over there, so before you go any further.
I want to hear about the constituents where come from. I want to hear team idea. If we're willing to put up team money with the idea, that you can't say government to open. Government open hospital, government open up transport center to carry the country people and from point A to point B. You understand? That's government responsibility. You not put too much toll on the government that they do this about here. Government cannot open any factory. It's investors do it.
The private sector and them people can open factories, brother.
Yes, but the country is friendly. If the country not friendly,
Yes.
no privacy is going to come here. So badness. If you're saying that the people must get educational, a way of it, work in the factory then, which factory you really want? Now, let's say we want to build tile. I go and put my tile factory. No.
No, they have to government open our factory.
No, tile.
Oh, tile.
Because, yeah,
Oh.
cement, I know government open cement factory, cement company. Government have a shares.
Badness, I will not know the factory we are talking about.
You know, say the factory did when I go primary school, the factory I work. And then I went Square Spencer when Square Spencer used to run over here.
Yeah.
He locked down them better, so I don't know who locked it down.
Badness. One play jacket
When
factory.
Prince Spencer and a power, they lock it down.
One play jacket factory.
Yeah.
Lock them down. Those who make jacket clothes, the branding them jacket. You know the brand like Ian?
PV lock it down, man. PV lock it down, you know.
Yeah.
Revere.
Lock it down.
The badness. We don't want to rush you. Why you coming to learn?
Alright.
Your mind. Open your mind for life.
Hold on the basic. Let Black Arm talk about the people where they come from. I could hear where they come from.
Alright.
And Black Arm no come from down there too.
Revere, right?
Yeah.
What about the cassava factory?
Cassava factory that are in a Elam.
Yeah, what about it?
Cassava factory, me not think it open.
Alright. You just say we have a plant down there, a factory down there, you know that?
The Aki factory.
No, we have a Callaloo factory, you can get Callaloo, melon, Aptra.
No, sir. No, I'm always one out of the place.
You about Anselo?
Me about what?
Anselo.
Anselo.
Yeah.
Anselo. No, sir, I never hear about that.
That's my own name is. Where am I talking already?
Me 27.
You never go answer it. You never go so with it.
I'm not really familiar with that side. I'm familiar with back Santa side and them side.
Okay, but you see, if you do research, you will know. You understand me? Because a lot of things go to, even from all over Peter from Manchester, come as Anselo. We call Loop Up China or something there. Me, used to add of people. See if we factory too, when they need things. Alright. You see what you shot today? You see, over there, politics was over there. Our project will come right up over there, mash up with politics. If I don't say what that side, I post part of the event, you know that?
Where's over?
Go back over that division there. I post part of the event.
Where's is not the poorest part and said to
Who's that I post?
what me to know over and them places. Slide.
That's it. No man, swipe a rich here by one view. Swipe a rich place, never put swipe.
More do some boys why poorest place I sent to you. You can't.
That division there post, that's send with. That division there because of politics.
You know, sir, as me tell me at 27, I never voted.
Alright, if you would know. I solely take the first term solely. No, right? And I first road of 6 origin. I have some part.
First.
Yeah?
First word I fix a Brazil.
No place, no, not our Brazil alone. Some places over that division there. Over 40 years.
Alright. I'll be honest with you. You know, I swollen I don't know what Brazil.
I first term Bridget. In first
No,
term.
no. First term, but so I tell us all in do not have reservoir.
Ghost story chant used to come in at the back. Ghost stuff.
Solely work as Santa and back on the side. Solely no work at reservoir. Listen, me now. So this are buy import at reservoir.
Never hear this. Listen good now.
Hey, badness. You can calm down on me, because you know me, I listen to you. You sound like a young youth, and just hear you say you have 6 subjects. Let me ask you this. You know, no disrespect, you know, because you're young and I can appreciate that. What go on for you in your life, man, you?
What going on me in my life?
Yes, sir.
I know sent to my work, I'm Monday with also.
So you do a look at somewhere.
I'm mechanic, I do mechanic.
You're mechanic too?
Yeah,
And you have 6 subjects?
yeah.
So how you see it? Me ask you this now. Forget about politicians. How you see your life and the direction that it's going?
How me see my life?
Yeah, man. How your life go? The direction that your life go.
You know, alright, how I want to feel alright, but day by day.
But day by day, you work on it.
Yeah.
You know, them things that we are trying to show you. Them things that we are telling you.
What discussion?
Yes, sir.
Enough time we talk to enough young people over here. Because if you better what they do, open discussion here. What they do for me.
You want direction, you know. You want.
See, if you need to talk to too. This
Yeah, you
need
need some
to
direction.
talk to. Yeah, you can see that clearly. You can see that.
Yeah, it's now go up on the right track. And when you in this direction, that's why I'm coming over here, so.
Listen good now. Squiddy, enough young people talk to over that division first time here.
Yeah.
They plan long-term crap. They plan banana, cane, and cassava and everything long.
You know,
Nobody no really plan cassava and banana and birds over.
And cane.
Mostly all people don't do that also. And cane, nobody no in a cane again also.
where man in plant?
I weed mostly somebody live off over here.
That I know. But back then, first time I moved the cane.
Everything there for
Back then.
But if you would not, even we talk to young youth, them say my youth, in between, you have to plan something where you can make a living after. After me, plan to Karalu, you can go to Sunday to juggle.
Plan.
Me know, but really, that take 3 months to come. You plan to go to Karalu 6 weeks, you can look and cut and sell. Your pop try can sell, your cucumber can sell. When you think southeast or southwest do better, you only can't free, you read the car free, come over there, catch crap. After this, you know, they can't even catch crap, you know.
Hey, badness. The first thing you have to do is change your name.
Change my name.
Come on. Yeah, change your name there.
Yeah,
The police will start take set by you.
No problem, man.
Eh?
No problem.
How it sound to you? How me sound?
I said no problem, man. That the sound, you know, sound no way to me.
Yeah, because that is it sound like it's a youth willing to learn, so drop the name there.
Yeah, man.
Because the name, police are like them name there, sir.
Badness.
Yeah.
A bird's family come from here. I'm flying to life, could make a bird's family. I'm going to head to south.
Oh.
So
Bird's
Badness,
family come from.
Badness, what side you lean to right now?
This time I lean to, what you mean by that?
That political side. Politics.
Well, Mrs. Swollet last night, I'm a talk like you have a vision, I see my power up at community center. And I'm a raise one, so I always a part of your life still about that first 5 coming out back still.
Alright.
I drop asleep with all this, and this, you know, night also.
Tomorrow night. You see tomorrow night, me you. We want to see you tomorrow night. And you say, hear me now, me you. Hear me now. You say tomorrow night, we want to see you. And you say, Scooty just tell you, say, you have 6 subjects. And you say, tomorrow night when you come up and talk to it, we want you to take off the name, then we want you to put yourself name, Bright Boy. And that is your new name. That. You hear me, sir?
Yeah, man.
You hear me?
No problem, man.
No, me no want you to say no problem, you know, because the talk we are talking, you're the big man just telling you, give me a minute, me deal with him, man. Give me a minute. You see the big man just tell you, say, you see the name, I start you, you see the name, don't fit you, and I you that. So you see tomorrow night when you come now, you all a reason with it. You have me, I give your name, a bright boy your name, and 6 subjects you have. So more you all on that and come to a different tomorrow. See?
Yeah.
Alright, sir.
Badness,
Alright.
you have what? You have baby mother and kids?
I mean, I know kids at the moment, you know, but we have family.
What?
Alright. So what you gonna do? And you want have future, right? And you want have house and car and them thing in your family, right?
Of course, because I go and hear some my father who live a picking here. My father don't mind me, you know. My father is a very popular man about in our place.
You're a man does
I hear about my father. So.
You have to do my yo.
You're a man does your name. You take out the bright boy, put bright man. And that is your new name, bright man.
Right, man.
Yeah, bright man, yeah.
You're a bright man. You know what you have to do now? Can you see if you want future? I know every youth want a future, you know. They don't care if they get dead, you know. So you
want a future,
right? You want to have house and your wife and your picnic them. So what you have to do? You have to change your name and change your lifestyle and build a future. Get a good job, save your money, keep out of trouble.
I know say name no different who me best because I don't know bad boy right. Me never got me.
No, it's not you in a boat. All people are going to perceive it. And you in a all people are going to perceive it. So we are telling you. We give you a new name. A bright, you see from now, you see the badness thing, a bright man in here.
Bright man.
No, man, a bright man. Call him bright man.
Bright man.
Yeah.
When you got school like over here, you know what you say? You must
that time I pass school, you know.
Okay. I will start high school in the blue and white. Sky blue and white, right? You teach at the school must already put name with a good adjective. Good adjective. My name is Sheldon. We used to call him sensational Sheldon. There you go. You know what I'm saying?
So you need to go to art, man. You go get certified. So when you get certified, you can go all the foreign go work and build yourself.
Even bright man, you can go out and do the job assessment test that me do and get electrical certificate.
Same work where I do. When say like mechanic, you can get certified night.
And the job assessment test. You go and sit to an exam.
Right, man. They're not called a printer at the workplace.
Printer, no, sir.
We're good. So what can I call you specializing in?
No, so I'm not really specialized in a nothing like, so we just...
He's a front-end specialist or mechanic specialized in a front-end and some specialized.
We can spray car and them.
Body man.
Yeah, body man and some.
Spray man. And we see you residing now?
But they are bros over.
You work commandable.
Yeah.
You know, sir, he's a spiritual person, God, and the spirit takes you. I'm not tell you why the spirit takes you.
Basic, you might close basic, you now come out clear.
You see the R? Alright, you hear me now?
Yeah, better, yeah.
You see the R? Me have the same signature. Me name Richie. But me know where your R. You understand? Robert.
A Russian, I'm my real name.
The Russian your name, man. They give you a couple of bad. The Russian. The Russian. The spirit take you, man. I'm not going to label you. I'm not label you as a PNP and a JLP. I'm not label you on this side. I'm label you as a Jamaican.
Yeah.
You have a mother, but you're not no kid. I know you have eight. You have woman, though.
A woman, man, I have to change up more.
Alright, and though your woman have a kid, though.
No, so she not know video.
You have just broke your future wife.
Bright man.
Just broke your future so you and I can build together and grow together.
Bright man.
Nobody calling a badness, you don't call yourself them name, the curse word that yourself bad.
Yeah. Somebody said seems like a good young man.
A good youth, I'm spirit take the youth man from the
Yeah, man, think so.
Let me ask him something then. Yo, Russian.
Yeah.
You see not now going good in Jamaica?
Jamaica.
Is it not one put in St. Elizabeth?
No.
Senti.
Yeah.
I'm going road them, I say I fixed still.
Ah, respect. Is it not going to Manchester?
For Manchester there. Yeah man, things are going up the side there.
Them two parish of Macaulay. Which country them belong to?
I said Jamaica man.
Alright, madam, respect.
Mexico to finish there with Marks.
Yeah. But I say, you see anything that go on in the country because you must listen news. You listen GIF.
You know, say more time I'm busy more, so I come here, I'm tired and something, but you know, say, you may tell you, know, say most time when I come in, I just text and go up on TikTok and, as I tell you, say, enough night, I just you, Melissa, and Jaffa asleep and something.
Alright, well, you know what you have to do now? You have to start listening GIS and more get involved in your country and learn what go on in your country, all the development where government are doing. Try to pay attention to them and not listen to people.
Yeah.
Don't make people tell you this, say nothing now go on, and you run back at them and say nothing now go on. Because so you come up here and sound, you know. That's why we say you sound like a man we can't read, you know. See?
Oh.
You can't read, you know. We say you sound like. See?
Yeah.
We not this you. And by talking to you, we say he's a good you. So
Really,
start pay attention to your country, listen to GIS, everything there. On Sunday you can listen to it there. Then you now you relax. So now you think what GIS, listen what go on in the country and start pay attention to your country and go vote for your country. If you want
to show you something.
to continue.
Yes, quit it. I'm going to show you something now. More I them, more every man listen to this skill. Because I live at St. Thomas here a little while. Saying, you know what say? TJ Patterson, bad policy as a government. Him cast Goodyear. It's a Goodyear. You know what cast Goodyear for clothes? I'm kind of asked him last night. Goodyear.
I jump out of the box because I go date something on the road.
Respect, Roshan. Respect.
Come back and join the live. Yeah, we Russian.
As I say, I always watch him and something. I'm one of your big fans still, you know.
Alright, you're good, dude. I'm going to go vote. You go vote, Russian. Let me ask you last question. You go vote?
I'm telling you, I see solely last night up at community center. I'm a reason and you have a good idea and so positive.
You go vote.
I give him another term and just say if I go work over Brace by this term.
You go work, man. I'm glad all of your friends. You see, all on the best week. You see, like how you talk to him personally, Russian, gather all of your friends, them, we undecided. I make them know that this is the man I go do the thing, yes, sir.
I give him a chance, man, because I know enough money help, you know. I know how money buy a whole heap or something.
Because the Russian are good,
yeah, man, you want to get up and vote for your man, brother.
You know, say, I tell you the truth, and something. You see Raymond Price and Swoley are two best MP. Them. We hear about Roger Clark, but we never really in a Roger Clark time. But you see Swoley and Redman are them our best MP, I say still. No, not Swoley and Redman, Raymond Price.
Raymond Price.
Yeah. Raymond Price do a lot for Northeast and
Them push Raymond Price, you know. They don't like you. Push it out.
Raymond Price even believe up a Bracever school I fix up it. I got a Bracever school, I pick toilet and Raymond Price put flush bathroom and support.
So Raymond Price now
Raymond Price fix up a Santa Clinic and something.
So Raymond Price now run down there again.
Bad policy. Come back and put me up. Speak to me soon, come back.
Bedrick.
Alright.
Bedrick. Run this around by people over the years. And they have a reverse sword in that division.
In some of this slowly I can't.
And Russian, when you come once, Russian wants to back it, see her?
Change it, man.
We don't want police to take set fire because you sound like a good youth. You have a future. If I have a future, we try to work towards it. You hear me, brother?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, can we rate you? You're not blind, and you see what I go on. You reach far.
It's good. Yeah, some place like division here. Far more.
I big up yourself still, man. Just go and listen to man.
Yeah, man. I
Yeah,
change the name, brother.
and you will come back in our box the next night, you know. You will come back in our box.
Come up
No
tomorrow
problem,
night.
man.
Come up tomorrow night. Yeah?
No problem.
Yeah, baptism tomorrow night. We're going to baptize it tomorrow.
Yeah, man.
Alright.
Alright, respect.
All right.
Yeah, man.
Yes.
Yeah, man.
Respect everyone on the live. Respect on
Yes.
everyone.
Listen, Squitty, I go back to that reason here. Because you asked the virgin last night about what cost good year for close down. Same?
Yeah.
But
Hold
one
on,
man,
hold on, Clive.
some nice not somebody background there.
Yeah, hold on, Clive. Inspiration is that year we up, acknowledge.
Yes, man.
Yeah, man, they acknowledge it.
Okay.
Yeah,
I
bless.
like the encouragement, gentlemen. I like the encouragement to the youth.
Yes.
I love it.
And,
I love it.
And more of the man them listen now because this is something we witness what happened at St. Thomas. Saying,
Yes, sir. Go on, talk.
Goodyear factory. You have people that work right on the clock. Because it is a tire, they make tire. But when PJ Patterson come in a power and take over in the 90s, high tax rate when put on Goodyear and the high electricity bill, them have to close down business. Now him do it to the rest of the company them saying, no, you see the Kaya factory where them used to use and make the bed. You see the Kaya factory, the man them have to take all the equipment. Yes, the man them have to take all the equipment and carry it down at the river, go put it against the river and some tent and try to get current from run to use it to make the bed them because the high tax rate the PJ Patterson put on the man them and the electricity them could not afford it, them business crash. They think that, yo brother, the man crashed the sugar factory, saying him crashed the Bros factory, and the Bros factory have a lot long in the brother. Then and a PJ Patterson government and him to the come and say the country now going in the right direction, brother. The man destroy St. Thomas in the Virgin. Every little thing without a St. Thomas where people used to work. The banana board, they put tax on the banana board. After Sierra coming up over and bring the banana board come at St. Thomas. And the banana board have shut down because of PJ Patterson, brother. And people know them things are squitty.
Yeah.
Then I'm gonna remember say the man and take out the equipment and carry it down a Yalas right and beside the river there. So you know what the bridge is so the bridge was so much down all the while. Wash it.
Yeah,
right.
The river.
Right, brother, the man them have to end up on a plant all peanut for help them to get back themselves and food because them destroy the people in business. You know, you today need to know them things. I can't matter about power. And time come, you need to know what the PMP do to Jamaican people, brother.
Follow them and follow back, man.
Then me tell them, Bridget,
Follow back, man.
ask anybody at St. Thomas can tell you, say, yes, the Kaya factory was on at the riverside, down at Yalas, they have to take out all of the equipment out of the factory and bring it down there. You know, man here, Simpson, the own the business, a Jamaican man name is a Simpson. Yeah, you know, so I used to live squitty, I used to live right beside Stadium. Right on solar field, sir. That's where Mr. Simpson used to live. Yeah.
Yeah. Mute the mic, chef, for everything else get nice, man. Yeah. Yes, I.
Yeah, next man can come reason, you know, because we don't want to kill the reason. I want everybody to share.
Yes, gentlemen. I'd like to add my little 2 cents as always. I don't know what the topic is tonight, but I have a very, very,
topic, man. Politics side topic.
well, I understand, but sometimes we have a specific topic in the politics. But I want to ask the panel a question. I'm going to throw this out there. What do you think? Is Jamaica a true democracy?
Yes, it is.
Would you say so?
Yeah, because we have one of the most peaceful democracy. Because we never have anything like no cute thing like a man that try to take over the country with weapons like we go on at 80. So we have a smooth transition of power at all time, away from 19 youth, we have a little problem.
Here's my thinking, gentlemen. Here's my thinking.
You know where you're going.
Whenever you see a system being crippled, being hijacked by whichever means necessary, it is a prelude to something bigger. I heard a damning situation this morning where I heard, I didn't hear that.
I'm going to play it again.
We gotta look deep into these things and what you see, the PNP uses a similar approach when they put up Charles and the culture minister and locked them for a while. Watch the PNP. You see, they've come and they can now get to select who they want to come into the debate arena. And once they're able to do that, are these the people you're going to give full control to? Look, you got to take sleep and mark them.
If they can handle, hold on there, brother.
Jamaica Donald Trump.
Exactly.
Hold on.
Exactly.
Hold on. Yes, sir. I'll come back to the
Thomas reports. The PNP have told the Jamaica Debates Commission they will not participate in the debates if any journalist from NNN is listed among those asking questions of debaters across the three debates. The PNP said NNN reporters Ricardo Brooks and Tawna Thomas were unwelcome additions to the slate of questioners in the debates. The party went further. It told the commission that the presence of George Davis is a deal breaker, noting that any debate that Davis is a part of in any capacity will be boycotted by the PNP. The PNP has also trained its fire on RJR host Emily Shields. Shields is not understood to be part of the lineup of questioners and moderators, but the PNP says, given her past association with NNN, it would boycott any debate she's a part of. This position appears to underline how vehemently the PNP is opposed to anyone with any affiliation to NNN participating in the debates. It's understood the GLP went into last Friday's meeting with the Debates Commission with no block list. The party is understood to have told the commission that all journalists from all media entities should be free to participate in the three debates and that it had no objection to any individual or media house. But the PNP, represented by Colin Campbell, made it clear it would not participate if any NNN journalist was on the list of hosts and moderators. That's when the GLP reportedly hit back, saying that given the PNP's objections, it would then have to object to certain individuals being present. The PNP have issued a statement condemning what they say is a breach of protocol by the GLP for issuing a press release about the private deliberations of the Debates Commission concerning the selection of the questioning and moderating panel. The GLP fired back, denying it issued any such media release. The Jamaica Observer has since published an article clarifying that the GLP issued no statement about the private deliberations of the Debates Commission. Tawna Thomas for Nation.
Yeah, the GLP.
Yeah.
Squitty,
Yeah.
you ever hear a winner?
Hear what I'm saying here. Hear what I'm saying here.
You ever hear a winner and complain yet?
No, sir.
No.
Does that sound like loses it in the air? I didn't know it.
Yeah, man.
All right.
Conceding defeat. Conceding defeat.
Yeah.
Listen, what is dangerous about this?
Very
If
dangerous.
there is a governing body that governs the debate commission, the PNP nor DLP has no right to handpick who they want to come to the dance. You go to play the ball game and you cannot choose the referee to the game. So, here, what is dangerous here, again, when the PNP is going to name certain media, certain journalists, that is also wrong, to be putting their names out there. Because in essence, what that will do is to have people outside who are not very well thinking start to put special attack or personal attack on some of these media people. And that's what you don't want. The media is one of the strongest entity in any country. Here in Canada, they'll say there's two sets of individuals you don't mess with. Mess with members of the media and mess with members of the security force. You'll have what's coming to you. And if Jamaica, who celebrates a high ranking in the world for press freedom, today I think they took a hit. They took a hit by what the PNP is trying to do here. And I think we need to look long and hard under a Mark Golden administration. What again? Listen, it starts with the media, it will be something else. And anyone that oppress you will oppress me and will oppress any nation.
But hold on.
Take sleep and mark it.
Inspiration, hold on. You know who that want? The CNN to pick up the news. Would I like it?
Exactly.
All of the American and Canadian media pick up the news and the England media. Pick up
Exactly.
the news. Yeah. Suppress the media in Jamaica.
Exactly.
You know the
That's what I
African
love the
demographic is
international media to do. Pick it up.
Because the international media watches, they pay attention to these things.
Of course.
Yes.
We want everybody, we want the media, Fox News, CNN, all of them to pick up this news here.
Squitty, you
Mark
got to the
Golden
man
is
and shoot up the man and fire shot over the over nation really.
And nationwide. Exactly.
Yeah.
That's what I'm saying.
Pick up these.
When they single-handedly call people's name out, that is wrong. Because
Yeah.
all you got to think is somebody who's not very well bright take sides and put these people's lives in chaos. It can happen.
Only thing him not say, I stand down and stand by like Donald Trump. But a Jamaica Donald Trump that.
He's a bully. He's a
Brother.
bully.
Yeah.
That's what the man
He's a
must say.
bully.
I think with the inside violence now. Because the man
Exactly.
want to take it to the name and way and call and go hurt the man them.
Yeah, man.
Exactly. Because this evening,
Ricardo
Ricardo
asked the right question. That means the question
Ricardo
they ask now. Them want unpick. The journalists them will come ask them question there. I don't know, so they
Ricardo, no. Ricardo Brooks was saying that he was verbally abused this evening by in one of the constituency that he was in because he was singled out this morning, and when they learned he was from Nationwide,
recipe for
somebody
violence.
exactly, and that's why I say when people are not very well bright, they will resort to these kinds of behaviors. That's why you got to be so careful of what you leave out there and how people interpret it, because it can be dangerous for media personnel. That's right.
Can't do that. So why they afraid of NNN so?
I think when it comes to the economy, I think that they were thinking about George Davis asking certain economic questions. They are so afraid because they want to get into power on the dark. And one thing with Nationwide, they'll crack everything open, and they need to come full force. They need to come forward. There can be no hidden agendas. And I think they're afraid of this.
Somebody said
That's
they
the
want to
screen,
face
everybody. At the screen, everyone. At the screen.
Yeah, man, on top of the screen now. Run up the live. Yes, I. Evening.
Evening, you're right.
Yes, I. Hold on, before you talk, this Bridget name, Chef, we are not talking for them there, you know. And General. Hold on, L'Oreal, we soon make a talk. General T. I see you say you want to come up and talk. Mute to the mic when you not talk. Mute to the mic when you not talk. Please.
Squitting, good night, me I go drive, I going home. Good night,
All right.
team. Well, maybe not good night, because me I listen, me just I go drive. So me
Yeah,
I just
man.
go look at it.
General T, talk now. Respect. General T, unmute your mic, my brother. You say you want to come talk, you know. General T.
It's the run God.
Chef Wayne. Chef Wayne. Chef Wayne, unmute your mic, brother. Alright. Alright, you in.
All right. You know what I believe should really happen?
Yeah.
The people who in charge of the debate supposed to pick the people who them feel fit to answer the question. And if Colin Campbell don't want to go, Mr. Holness go, answer to the question just the same as anything else. And make we see what going on, man. Make we see if him can live out the two of them. You may might do the same thing.
Them have a one-on-one with Mr. Holness already, you know. Him and Mark Bowling, you know. The last debate, I told them one-on-one.
When that did go?
Eh?
When that did start?
You know, started, they're going to happen the 28th of October, August.
Yeah, me know that. That's why me I said. If them don't want to come, go and obey what them say. Because let me tell you something, you know. I speak something the other day, you know, the whole day there that me I tell you, say, I willing to him shed for my blood to save this country. Anybody believe I joke me? These people are radical criminals, right? They only seek power for themselves and not for the people. And that's why they tell the people these whole heap of nice things. You have to tell Rastaman, brave Rastaman, say me put you in a parliament. You have to brave him, when them name the Maroon them, so they put them in a parliament. You have to bribe the taxi man.
Yeah.
Right? If you certain that you can win the election and you say, where you have bribe people for?
Sure.
Go there and win the election. Make we see.
Mr. Urel.
Mr. Urel. They can't lose.
Mr. Urel.
So wait, why you have done Mussolini for me? That's what Mussolini have done in a place there, you know. At the radio station, and they start to lock down first.
Yeah.
You see,
Urel. Let me just clear up something there quickly there. The Maroon not allowed to sit into the parliament no time at all because the Maroon are different. They are different. They are not the Queen people. They are not the Queen people. You understand me? You see when the Maroon win, the Maroon did win the war, them couldn't come out in a Jamaica like that, you know, and the rest of Jamaica, they have to show ID because they were sovereign people. They are a different set of people. You understand me? So this is what the population of Jamaica don't understand. They're not allowed, they don't vote either. They're not allowed to vote. They're not the Queen people.
My brother, that's why it is so senseless that these people have no sense. The Maroon have for them one constitution.
Yes.
So they can enter into our parliament.
Them even want to create them own money. They loom it. They want to try to create
so
them
that's
own
why
money.
they are trying to show that everything where these people saying is to catch vote. And just to catch vote and do nothing else. Them can't do nothing. There is nothing them can do to make this country come good. Nothing whatsoever.
Yo, brother, I don't care who, I don't care. Listen, my mother is a part of the tribe, you know. He's a descendant of the Maroon. I'm going to tell you the truth. The Maroon is not descendants. No, them is not native to the country. Them is inheritance. Just like the people, the rest of people when they on the slave plantation where the British control. We are inheritance of the island. You get me? I say to you, Mr. Urel. So every time the Maroon come out, they have this saying to say, them indigenous. They're not indigenous to the island, brother. Because they have African blood. They have inheritance to the land. Just like the people.
All away a Maroon. All away get carried away. Come Maroon with on the land of Jamaica.
Oh, you mean? So, since you have African roots, brother.
You know when Maroon.
But they feel.
Hey, you say you get Maroon on the land.
Wild and the anti-team, brother.
They feel they take it to another level that they say they want them own government.
African descendant. The whole away. From your black.
Yeah. You're black, you're African descendant. And me myself, you have Indian name, but me African descendant.
Classify as Maroon. I know go them one. They have nothing special about them.
No.
Maroon mean you're stranded on an island. All of we get taken away from we can come to Jamaica. We are all Maroon. You come make a Maroon on the island. We stranded on Jamaica island till we build it for your own. Where them a come talk? And them a segregate themselves, say them are this Maroon. And them have their own law. And them have their own country. Them have if a country, then a country. That's why Angela come out and say, there's nothing in this Jamaica, one Jamaica.
It's supposed to be one Jamaica, brother.
Where them a go?
Them get a piece of land in a Jamaica.
You go put diaspora people in a parliament.
Because of them say one catch and sell them out to the white man them. Them say Maroon, they say them a Maroon. Catch the black people them. The slaves them will run off my plantation. And them go hunt them and give them to the white man them. In our country, in our black country of Jamaica. They feel like they want to know history. We know them a come talk about.
Me tell you, man. Let me tell you, man. You have a few days left. But I don't know where some of them want to do themselves, you know, because them sell out their integrity to Mr. Golden by telling lies every time. Anyway, they go then tell lies. Them see things and they say it not go so. Them object to everything that is good. Everything that is good for your country, them object to it. Them don't believe that crime down. They don't believe that unemployment down. They don't believe this, they don't believe that. So what the backside them want?
Nothing. Them not everything them against everything what the government doing in Jamaica for help Jamaica. The man them go against it. I can't understand that, brother.
The greatest thing that them for look pan. The man them have about meat. I don't ever see a Jamaica flag up there.
None.
Who ever see a Jamaica flag on them platform?
None.
Who ever see a Jamaica flag on them shirt?
They have no class.
I want to make can tell you say the 3rd of September they're gonna know what the meaning of a time come.
Hold on. This is the General
Is that right there?
Hold on the
Is that
URL.
right there?
Hold on the URL. General P. You up?
Yeah, man, it's good. Bless up, bless up.
Yeah, man. In a long time you say you want to talk, brother. Talk now.
Yeah, man, great things and big up everyone on the line, you know.
Yeah, bless up, bless up.
Bless up, bless up.
I like how you continue to wave the flag for the island, my brethren. That's what I say.
Yes, sir.
As every man knows, so we can't go back forward. You know what I mean? Too much great things happen, we turn back, my brethren. And it's right now. I hear, you see, when I'm on a bus, I come in, I go on my 9 to 5. And I hear, I like a clip I play. But the one market you talk about, if the PM did that country like Singapore, if they're prison. You know, I see them do a thing with they to the PM over Portmore, you know. And even though them have this talk about the PM act like dictator, you need to show them real class on them thing there. I make them know say who have the anger. You understand me? Show them real class, I make them know say me in charge of the country and who know. You understand? I disrespect that, you know. See? And not true leader and not take no disrespect from no man below him. You understand me?
Yeah, them a behave like a dim around the country. And yeah, really a opposition leader, brother.
That me a say, Virgin. See it? And that me a say.
Dayton Cameroon have no seat. Not even a council seat you don't have. And you have so much talk, brother. You're them humble with it.
Yeah, man, the man will go up on our platform and make a talk and quiet them, man. See me I say? Quiet them. See it? Because, let me tell you why them can't believe them. Them not really come to themselves and realize that the Jamaican people never call the Prime Minister this time around, you know?
Yeah.
See? So you see, any foolishness them feel say, I'll keep up and go on, yeah? If them feel like it's going to be business as usual, make them think again. It's not going to be no business as usual. You hear me, sir? So they better take note of that.
I know.
Right? They better take.
When somebody say police and soldier do up a PMP supporters or a Portmore today.
Rough them up today, so I don't know what.
What going on with them over there today?
More I hear that, more I hear, man.
Because they will not block the road.
Them not black road today too?
Yeah.
Me say all across road them black road to brother. Me some people say them can't
It a
hear
bad,
what
it a bad, don't a him, don't a clap him, not a beer.
They are pat more supporters Black Road for Mama Dito.
How you say?
You make me a bally video. And I tell Mama Dito.
I saw when them a spread over the country for them take up them local nastiness and black up road.
Yeah, man, then why you retaliate and then say you fight them?
Almost did one try to out a soldiers with a foul in them, you know. See? But when they look for the turnout and see the youth them have to take with themselves, you know. I'm tell you, say, a couple of my tapping them, a man with their own the bars from the sun.
Inspiration, get to Michael to my brother. You think I echo bad? Yeah.
No, me I say, them almost did one try down a southwest today in a green constituency. But when them see the turnout, them have to back off because them can't believe what them say. You see me I say?
Yeah.
People
which
them
constituency that? Where that?
Southwest St. Elizabeth. We fly green around.
Oh, fly green. Yeah, whole heap of people come out today.
I'm going to tell you something that. We are going to ensure, say, that seat there, we are going to ensure, say, as long as the world lasts, it must not hold by no more PMP as long as the planet lasts. We live on this line. I watch and see if I do my hair. Mark my hair tonight, I tell you now. See? Yeah.
Them say the one named Jess, I suppose that try to slowly to the too.
Well, one of them are saying serious threat, you know. One of them, I was telling you, Jess, he must say, you know, she lose a gunshot, him over fire. The man talk something and somebody tell him, say, be careful, yeah. And he must say, girl, don't tell me nothing, like, he must say, don't tell me nothing, you know, yo, me a bad man, you know, like, he must say, yo, he must talk. Yeah, like, he must kill, definitely kill the brother.
Show them who a bad man.
A madman, man. A smart dead man out, man.
I saw that woman, you know, a bad man. And when they start scream like rat baby when pressure take them, nobody not go sorry for them.
Yeah.
Yeah? Nobody ever sorry for them when they start get pressured. Because the government not go see them so. Here we Andrew say what day before yesterday. The man say my go like Mohammed Ali, just a back punch, a black punch. And the man the hook and the knockout, the third. Yeah, man.
Hey,
All
Virgin,
of them mad, man.
Yeah.
All of them mad out
Smitty.
right now.
Smitty, the biggest court, Mr. Today, you know, on the TV, on my TV, the biggest court, Mr. Boy, at the man, Everall, Warmington, brother. I don't know where you get so much people from.
How we are said, so you never try black up down a warm place.
No, you can't go on down there, man. A labor right, like, houses are labor right.
The man was loved by everybody, you know, G.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. I'll pay up here, walk with him, you know.
Them free the Warmington, you know.
I say, Sonny, I'm on live.
We don't have to understand, you know. Warmington a revolutionist politician for Jamaica Labour Party, you know.
Yeah.
You understand me? Revolutionist politician. And them have nobody to match them the kind of man they over the other side. And it's a man that be loved by green and orange.
Boy, people in the orange are walk with the man, brother. You may have to
The man is a dumb partial man. You see me I say?
Yeah.
Me not watch it now.
Yeah.
Sonny there, you know, and the amount of people I can't believe. And Sonny I say, you know, the PM there and the turnout. I can't believe there's so much people.
The biggest political crowd that never say one man have so much people.
Yeah.
Like thousands of people. They must say, when I support, I say, I 30,000 votes, you win by. Yeah, I say, at least I 30,000 look.
Come like this, coach and win, not fear, because it's 110%.
And brother, the next man you ever go and see me tell him, say, they must say, they go with it, you know, that they say, the blood, the man live like in Nugent in a squitty.
Yeah.
I'm on the stage across where I say, when him take over, when he becomes MP for West Kingston, that, me I say, but that the man should even talk, the man used to run, eh? The man used to run against this man. Not the man should even talk none at all, brother. Because there's nothing for him to talk about, you understand me? Because
when I hear man talk, you know, no, you know if you say nothing. Then if you talk about the brother wearing that crowd along with him tongue and suck off the Zuzubella. What do you say?
And they must say a woman, they must say a man.
A man.
Yeah, the man has suck off the thing like
A
A woman and
booger
them off a dick, brother.
man. Booger man, brother.
Yeah.
To them, I look on it. Booger man. Me don't know who are that. And them see them having a crown.
Me think it was a woman in the but afterward me people are saying no, it's a man.
It's a man tie up him head. Man.
Yeah, cause people are shit from there, people are shit on the social media, brother.
This is so bella, brother. Me I say, what kind of brother this is? Yo, I tell you what. Jaja, I say, I never tape the one there. Catch you, I want them thing up on my phone. I never tape it.
Yeah.
Maybe a okay family, you know.
I go there.
You know the thing I really like when I say I go on when I do the look on the statistics across the 14 parish. Them know say them are wobble because the whole of the country area them I wipe them out. You know? Yeah. I say the countryside I go wipe them out left, right and center. You know?
And Squitty.
Yeah man.
Yeah.
If 7,000 people not come out on Jamaica, so they can condemnate you and none not come out.
Two man a whole per crore, a whole per crore.
Squitty. What me say? I'm there. With about 300 put on it one and I pay green. Not about the good all the shine never care that the crowd yet.
Yeah.
Yeah, I check out it, you know. I check out it.
Clear. I don't know if you
Now
say.
watch one PNP like the show valuing. The man turn up and look at that space like in last.
Yeah, because I say me gone with it, you know, because nobody never did it.
Gone with what?
Gone with it. When
I
you
don't
walk
know
out, then
if the
you start
green
worrying.
thing since night, you know. I don't know if you see the green thing out of mountainside since night, you know, my brother. The place dark.
Me just come for me look well now.
The ear said the PNP woman about living in the water today, you know. Down there, you know.
In a ball yet.
And that place have whole in back connection. You see me?
I want the Anne-Marie Vaz one, I not say Amos one neither. I not say Anne-Marie Vaz one, I not say Amos one. I not say Adian, I not say Adian Piet one.
What you say about Anne-Marie Vaz?
No, I not say fair.
Nobody, no sledgehammer can break that the vase there.
Talk it again loud,
This
brother.
is Darren one.
No
This is Darren one.
sledgehammer can
I know
break
that's
that.
him a saying. I know that's him a saying, Chris. I know that's him a saying. Him not see. Him not say now. Him not say.
Look here.
Yeah, me not see her something at all today.
You know, hear they say the word Jamaica gone green.
Blacklisting by the PNP.
Yeah.
Hold on, gentlemen. On the ear, Danan is the poll this evening. On the ear, Danan is the poll. Since night, I hear Danan put out a poll about PNP, 35%. People say they will vote for them. I must say either 28 or 29. We just laugh.
That they're fine yesterday poll, man. I go poll that day.
We just laugh when we hear them, man.
For Mr. Patmore, can't talk about him biggest achievement when he can go come and and he should shame myself.
Yeah.
So then go poll that day. But then go.
They say my friend, you know, because they must say all them face thing get maga out of all them thing.
You know, say he come back at social media, say, since every goes to one see down there. I beg 1,000, 2,000.
All of them are friend, Bridget. All of them are friend.
Me tell Squitty all the while say, I want mistake the Prime Minister make. They allocate 10 million in the budget. We buy pumps and air condition, put on a billboard, that's when they come down there.
You need a new Mados.
You know, yes, it's going to expand.
All of them are friend.
Man, the money already for expand it, you know.
Yeah, man. Should I even already squid it? That should I do already? After the third.
It's in the making.
Scooty, you know, so I have strong feelings that you must have beat Damian Crawford.
Look here, when I talk about no strong beat, man, I thought he had vote the man who win on the buy. So he must have a wipe off that.
He must not let the constituency, you know.
Yeah.
He must not let the constituency and beat them again.
I not see him see Damian one still.
So that
I'm going to say Adian Piet. I'm going to say Adian Piet.
I not see Adian one either.
I rock best of green. Now, Bobby man take you when they say I go lose.
Me not think Bobby I go lose.
And me say the youth one green too, you know. The youth.
no. Bobby think large today, no. Man think your thing heavy today down there, no. Lose which part?
Somebody said that's a tier 1. How him stay? Nobody knows the tier 1.
Boy, I not see it. You know, me not see it.
Yeah.
What did someone say? I hope liberate them strong because as some of them I go mad out after election, no one to work.
Them a try to thief for style, them can't hold it.
Alright, so J Keeper, yeah.
Jesus Christ. But
J
me keep it.
Nothing get the history. Are you one
go on today?
Are you one listen to the G keeper? Eh? Auntie Adrian ask you. But we tell you say every flight that could know full, so you couldn't hold.
Yo, hey Squitty.
Yeah.
Pick up on yourself, no clean, nice labor right. No cannon me attack. What? So,
Oi.
me say, they import some of the boy, the man, them will come, the people, them will come today, you know, but me, I tell them, me proud of RG.
You can import what?
No, me say the PMP, them import.
Where the first ball in them come from? As a
I me tell them, say, Spalding them come from.
They look at me, no for them.
I come from upper, some of them come from upper, the Go-Go Club. Upper, Touchilani.
Squitty, you see, as for tonight, no PNP, no request, no vaccine, no PNP, I liberate and run things I know.
Hold on, them, you got this Squitty, Squitty. You see Dexter in here. Me I tell you, I respect that man, I'm my friend. Me I go par with him. You see the decent man? Me saying go off feel like call your name today, but then I put me in the box, you know. Cause me not go take him and drop him on the head. Ophelia, call for your name over there today.
Okay, te attack.
Oh, she attack, but.
Hey, okay, the woman, the girl. If I excellent.
When you got that about, you think of a Squitty live.
The other one.
You think of a Squitty live you there. Over Daniel in the see so me stand at the back say, but him Vegas, my Vegas, and somebody send it. So me
Open discussion over there.
Yes. And me say, and the whole of the PMP fly, the man Gengi fly there in the over there, you know. And me say squeezing me in there and when he call on your man, they will want go there, but they and tell people about me, you know, so people now make me come out there and do away, you know. So he there. Me say me proud that where the man him again.
Dexter, him bad man, him bad.
Well, I know me and Dexter back up on boy this man in
no, shot. Let me talk first now, Chris. Let me talk now before you know say me. You come out of me brain. Me glad you ended the cannon.
Yeah man, me a listen man.
When me hear Dexter say that boy they have him. You know when your period that come and you feel hot or all kind of shit and take and you come off a chat. Here Dexter. Your hormones them a ride you. We say yeah, after what you say me rank and him you fit take the decent man then yeah Dexter.
Because me after the you know me have said the book man
don't keep nobody with me. I know your hormones
ride him.
Yeah, I feel. You don't know where you put your sanitary pad. Why you not going to use your tampon? Me say.
Where say them Joe they stand today?
Me say, okay, start squeal up like, you know, the woman hold me that go on like if me period that come out how you feel edgy and so. Okay, scream louder on me, you know. You look like the whole line when you don't scream, you look like the whole line period come out by the seat. And me say, I feel one with that sit there. So, yeah, dear. All right, next time. But it's not me. And you don't know where you put your tampon. Me say, blood. Me say, I just did a laugh. I green. I couldn't go to the bath. I couldn't. Me never have to go there. I tell you. In the decent place, hear the boy when he St. Richard's Asburn or some shit. And the one that eat out the woman put in. Him come and you out of order, what kind of word you tell the man say? You burn everybody at Ingram. You out of order. Me want to tell Ingram say go along because a young 15-year-old boy did you grind your wife. And he put then and put me in the inbox. I will say, yes, brother Vegas did it, so brother Vegas hear him. All right, Dexter. Now, Dexter, now look for nobody does that cuss the girl, the big old girl. Me say, me have to say to me, say, you see them? You know they deserve. He lie. Me say, you see what you did, you found the other day, you find them draw you out. You carry them by your back, don't mix with them. I'm going to go cause Dexter to kind of supposed to be sending them fly and come over here so we find me things.
You say, gatekeeper Daniel live, you know. You know, see what Daniel have as him posters behind there. Marky G and one little girl that side live. Like, him love fitness. Him no love nobody.
He don't love nobody. Look at that only see one post with Marky G. One old man, the people, they just say black people don't know themselves. Marcus Gav said they don't know themselves, say them back against the wall. The old man that comes, so you know, the little old man, they frozy. Tell them, especially a PMP, they're frozy, you know. I don't know where I come from. You know, say the police, we have Marky G push the man, and the police grab the man and take the man, you know. Put the man, go there, run, go hug him up. And I said the man give him a left arm. One push the man struggle where the police they go catch the man. All one little old lady come out with one cane. You know, one piece of walking stick. I come up and dance, come to Marky. Marky just push that out of the one come and hard, the tape in no cannon.
Yeah, man. Tap up, right? You have to go 100 tonight, you know. Tap up.
Yeah.
Me say I cannon. You
scream, man.
You saw him insult the frozen people, them, and they still push up themselves panning.
But gatekeeper, Mark Golden himself think a piece enough. And that's why Lisa Hanna can't think. Lisa Hanna say Mark Golden not beat.
Yeah. He don't want to talk in his face.
And one woman come on live, one woman run his own live. And he say Angela Brown coming in here to talk to him. I tell him, say, come out of my face, oh Angela Brown must stink. As Rusty for like me, I tell me, Rusty made it on the live. The woman said, I tell him, no, you must stink, you want to brush your teeth.
Jesus Christ.
I didn't know tape for play.
We don't Squitty, what petal? We not hear back from her.
No, me not hear from petal yet.
Petal, no, see petal.
Boy, Damian Crawford attack some madness since 1990 and stage them. I born Prime Minister same way with the taxi thing, them man. One bag of rubbish him attack one of the constituency. The kind of
no. Madman, if we are taxing better.
A madman like who is that?
Pretty. Cannot people. Mr. Labor Writer go to Jamaica like a rice, then you pay them full. Pure Labor Writer go to Jamaica.
Gatekeeper.
Yo.
The whole Jamaica gone green.
Yo, yes, Pamela Vernon them gone out the increase. Yes,
Ratty Nuggets alive. This man we go 3 o'clock. And we go for one man, I go live. When we take us to go and party, keep back a super plus. I don't know, say the big fly, the big PNP fly. You know how we attack?
You want to find down a blunty?
Blackberry.
Oh.
The big fly. Me say, you know, thing but to get arguments today, but somebody should have fast 9 foot night. They will never be like this morning.
So they have a fresh party album.
Alright, go on, listen.
Them the drunk.
Me go hear from this person named Mark. Mark John.
yes, sir. Good evening. Good evening. All.
Where's the RT and the school down there?
Chris.
Yeah.
Wagwan to the boss. A question.
Wagwan.
Hey.
You know, you're paying president like the city, but I will like the world.
Chris, you know.
Nowadays, they like the city, but I must be like the world.
Yeah, man, the crowd,
Because it's a history today.
the crowd heavy today.
I'm 53 years growing up in the Northeast Manchester. I never
Yes,
seen it.
I heard that. I heard JLP members saying the same thing. Right now, crowd, because I was there.
Teacher let me say, somebody one teacher called me since night, and she said, Adisha, it can crowd, but you have to check Audrey Marks. He said the biggest crowd of Jamaica. That's what I'm telling
Some people, when they now go to the Adisha, say they come vote for this.
Come vote for Audrey. Yes. They're telling the truth.
Look here. Well, we can't
more than Shaw.
Well, we no we contest the election, it's going to embarrass him. Rydell Rose say, when a man beat you, I'm not that dead. But when a woman beat you, it's a big disgrace.
Yes, he did say that. He did say that. I can't on my channel. He did say that. He did say that, yes.
So look here. So you see, on the 3rd of September, we just have to show Mark Gold in the meaning of time come.
And yes, don't hurry watch and if people run out, don't bad.
Look here. Mr. We nominate with vehicle. We nominate with people. Because we pass everything and we walk.
True. I see where you go.
On the day of election, I know that there is no vehicle that can make a X. But all of the people that we carry out today can make a X. If God spared their life, we go vote on the 3rd. Let's go to Mark Gold in the meaning of time come.
Chris, one thing don't Peter Dumpton.
Peter what?
Peter Dumpton. One
Peter Dumpton. Me the my life because I want Jamaica first say if 9,000 people come out today in a South Manchester, no.
Yo, then you never hear, when him the guy, when him again, oh God. Him say,
That's a show of green attack.
Peter Dumpton me attack, man.
I see that stunting attack, but see Peter stunting.
Yeah, man, Peter Dumpton.
Look what he do. Me say when he go on nomination about 8 people here. And he called up the whole of Manchester. Me tell people them to come meet and call back up in country. I tell me they do them block the road. My guy, when he am oh God, when he am don't Manchester. He and just called and the police could force come run them out of the road. But you know, say Karen did matter them over the weekend because I downstairs at the building. Where he and I been office upstairs and he gone downstairs and make him film office, you know. And then send him where them gonna put it. Karen take off every frigging thing and dash away. I put on green flag. Karen Cross take off everything and run.
Karen green up the place.
You know, so she will Damian Young today. A whole heap of people come out for Damian Young too. Young people.
Look here.
Yes, a Gillette Road is massive too.
We are sending Nicky.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
On the top of the life, I work for people at 300 people. On the 300 that time.
Yeah, man, look how it up to 100 tonight, man. Top up the live, man. Look at energized, man. Live up the thing.
Yeah, man.
No, top up the live. You can't count like a Peter Stunting and the boy named Nathan Stramble. So
you know, you have PNP man come out and say Nathan Campbell cannot win down Westmoreland.
No, sir.
You might beat him bad, you might beat him bad.
Nathan Campbell bad.
You might beat on hell all the time.
Danny, I'm going to make you fat, don't you? Danny will
die. Beat hell all the time. May I tell you, the man have beat out the hell all the time.
That's a Juliet Big and Crossroad.
Eh?
It's a Juliet Road, Big and Crossroad.
Big and Crossroad. You know when you start the whole place. They said today when Andrew go on a back bush today. Lord God, I hear you.
You go back to Mountain View today?
Yes, man. When he left on ground there,
Yeah, man, him left God, yeah.
Where's the run the black up there?
There's a 6 candidate that run against Dayton Campbell.
Yes, I saw me here. I can fret him out. No, they take a freaking because it to find him. Lord God, I evil.
Him a mash him up down there, they don't want him down there.
And him want to see it, so he want a seat so bad.
And respect it. He can't get a seat, you know.
That's all that remember
all he know.
latching they use down there, you know,
You can't want to see the boss.
Some of the money went thief over the municipal corporation. You got to take it by a couple toilets seat on active traders. You know, see him a buy.
That boy name Amirs, man. That boy name Amirs.
Look here. Low Amirs a madman in a clean clothes. Because in a labor rights government, he can own 6 old cars and none can make one. So that's low him.
Christian dope, then you know, canon.
Low Amirs, man. You see, Amirs a madman.
Yeah, man. Who paid the man out?
This man in Dexter back up one for Shaman like beekeeper.
Chris, you never they lock up I'm here put on a grind pan him that you see. And they lock him up. He grind him, mama. But that's why you hear him talk so in advice.
This man when me and Dexter back up one pan, the Shaman like night check at me sleep and wake, you know. And the man at this and doing, I'm the go one.
And one them no company.
Well, I know. And the man at this and how and this and how and that in me. When me can't take it over me time me request him back, so I'm Shaman take up and me listen for about 10 more minutes and me take him and me say, brother, oh God Almighty, and Andrew do make him so. Oh, no, said the boy Andrew stuck at the same seat at school as Spanish Town High School. Yes, and the boy, because the boy, say your mind bad, I say you should that say, are your classmates?
Bad man, treat no rich, no, I treat no rich,
and me say, Andrew, we can't have nothing. But he used to give Andrew lunch and he said, I saw you go. Me say, enough, me give lunch and him I work at a bank. And me and them are friends, you know, me not against them. I will feel them head can't take it off, me couldn't take it out. Me couldn't take no subject to go work a bank. So me not qualify for it, so me not go there. I put me in place, me say your mind bad man, me say you could have better off in a life, you know. But your mouth and hold it on because your mind bad. You take your mouth, you get a bad mind hold on yourself. Say to me tell him. A cussing like a dog.
If you want to run a PMP, just them say a bad mind. They hate, they afraid that they flag forward.
Yeah, man.
Name out their conscience. Just tell them to they have bad mind.
Look here. I want him, it's good to me now foreign mind. And my daughter American citizen. Every time you ask me, daddy, you not come. But me can't tell you, say, anyhow PNP wins the election now. I tell me that I said, tear up before I didn't paper coming and go for it. I tell her take separation in the PNP there.
Big up.
Tell them say PNP win them never see me back at Jamaica. Come on, tell them that.
Anyhow PNP wins the election in Jamaica was on Haiti. I tell them that. And Squitty know that too.
That's all, man.
Me see one PMP you
on
TikTok earlier. And the PMP boy I say if PMP don't win a war I will go on out there.
What about war? The police?
No matter of God.
Look here, that's why I'm glad how the Prime Minister by the resources get the police, you know, master. And nobody can beat the law. I'm glad how the Prime Minister by the resources.
Already, man.
The amount of new police jeep when I see a Manchester today, they know so much there. The amount of police I see in a town from there, I never know the upper station could have hold so much police.
You saw them dirty bad man and the intentional war. They want all the me say dirty jaws they on bicycle. A car start lick him and lick off the head and find body.
Dirty jaws are international fishermen. International fishermen boyfriends who does a business.
Everyone, Chris, him not easy, you know.
Look, I mean, I like the man. Let me tell you, how me tan. If a man do good, if you give me flowers.
Yes.
Me believe in that.
I believe in that too.
And
Yes,
Andrew do very good. And look here, when PNP are cut the cake, none of it can get the crumbs in them. And Andrew can't make it even the crumbs. There's the Andrew tea, but when the tea when I cut off say cake, you get say the crumbs. That means you know how the cake tastes. PNP have a top on Harris. We roll through the 90s and nobody can tell me nothing.
Hey,
You know here you know your PMP Margolin say persons over $6 million. If you earn $6 million, you will give you tax break.
Sharon Garden,
he said,
yeah,
he said them a cousin.
Sharon Garden, good night. Yeah, the same thing like the PNP.
He said that say if them a cousin say my security guard, but him a go give and what $6 million a year for security guard. But look on him, I not say man, they say thief. I said they say to him saying thief of the security guard shot because the man go there look for him shot, you know. Listen, the man in a look on him in every shot him and him bust up the other side. Go him baby deep.
So don't see Beanie Man on the stage so Saturday night.
Any man figure out being baby
Oh,
now.
man, check him out, man. I say Billy man a breathe for my goal in. You say Billy Bang.
Oh, being a boy.
The man Billy Bang like magic to the water.
I sick, and when people say voting God,
Look here.
and the people at the PMP, and the PMP them say bang him baby big bang. And how we keep people girl picking about here 13 baby father, and the last baby father breathing, and the last baby mother breathing.
This song we sing so they get heart attack. Man goal in lose them with a play, them with height. We are going to play.
You know, sister, Ashiem, man, go and put him past stage to share, you know. He's sick with that big old pregnant belly there.
When we are so big shot, when we were mother's blood, in coming out of Marina, only that.
They put on maternity track for me.
Well, yeah, they must have something for it.
I have them put on for him. And he did it.
Look here from Wednesday. Wednesday. Go on Wednesday.
Big up everybody. My good friend J Keeper, Chris Carter, and
Big up yourself.
Canon Dawson, Tesla, and all the rest of people. There.
Respect.
Yeah, man, big up, you know. Let me say this though. Right now, it is a fact that Crystal Tamless is, without a doubt, more popular than Mark Bowling. I mean, the show that should have hosted for years, and all the other things should have done even in her professional study at school. She's more popular than Mark Bowling. And yet still being a man with all his, you know, musical powers, he was not able to let his baby mother cross the finishing line in West Rural St. Andrew in the last general election. I mean, who is a beanie man to come on the political?
Exactly, here you go. We shouldn't even call him name for tonight.
Yeah, who is he? I mean, now, Squitty, when they're doing stage production, there's a lot of planning that goes into it. What are the songs that you're going to do? I mean, and it's a political event. What are the songs that you choose the song choices, and so when you go on the stage, it's exactly what it is that you actually choose beforehand, even if it is that you're not paying the person. Now, you're also supposed to have a kind of one word named tack. Now, the maximum leader is on the stage. There's no way you can come exactly in the vision of the maximum leader and perform. You can't do that. You're not supposed to do that. And if you look at the performance Saturday night, he went on the box there right in front of the maximum leader. You don't show the respect. Now when you don't know...
talk about it. When I wind up in front of Mark, what is this?
No, we ever come to the wind up part and I think him do the whining. Now, when you're done, now you're going to say to the man, I'm drinking rum and Red Bull. What kind of signal that you are sending?
General, that Marty Key, that's it, drink, man.
You know, it don't matter, you know, do you understand what I'm saying?
No, I'm Mark Williams' favorite special.
Yeah, but listen, up, take that away from it. You don't convey that message to the populace, which is the country at large.
All right,
That's a wrong message.
I'm going to interject something to you.
Yes, sir, no problem, man. No
All
problem.
right, you know the Bounty Killer is a big PNP. And Bounty Killer, burn out PNP the most nice song them. Look one dog in the ghetto with the poor have a thing. And then go back and tell PJ, but anytime you're hungry again, you're going to see the 9 and everything there.
Yeah, poor people fed
And
up.
he come and talk why he burn out PNP. He said a long time him mother run up and down with PNP and they never get him mother nothing. That's my house, I must buy a house, him mother now. So they
and she was a strong
Bounty
activist.
is a PNP, but in a like PNP policies.
So when you go back now and me I say they have to not do all of these screening. When you go back now and go see a next artist now come in front of the maximum leader, the man who is going to be the presumptive prime minister, you know, and you want to tell me say you are cock up your wearing in front of the man. What kind of signal that you are sending to the country? Me I try to figure out.
I was listening. Somebody, I think what was yesterday, and they were saying that a whole heap of gay was at the meeting, and Saturday night.
Yeah, we can't listen. No? There's no way that a person can stop these people. The fact of the matter is, we are talking about center stage. Even if it is that you're going to do a performance of a song, we can't stop that. But what I'm trying to say is, outside of what is it that you're supposed to do, why do you need to come in front of the maximum leader, the leader, the presumptive prime minister, and turn your rear end to him like you want the man to put money in the side of your shots?
With this, listen. I said if you're going to call PNP, no keep nothing, and then PNP keep appear, stage show, then keep. Everyone they go, they care artists, they care cartel, they care pop they care beat, they care everybody appear stage show. And
I'm wondering,
when my prime minister go on a platform, he can represent Jamaica. He can speak to the people so you understand what he's saying.
The world. He can represent the world.
Mark Golden will never be prime minister of Jamaica, and he will never represent nobody.
Sean, if you say me don't want a tip in my back pocket.
he was dancing for a tippy.
Yeah.
Here. Anytime.
Hold on. This is like a pop-up board club.
Anytime the PNP them here 12:59, them party goes to twek because they know it's at 1 p.m. next time.
Yes, sir. Sharon Gordon. Hold on a second. Labor rights, no disrespect, labor rights. Hear what? Sharon Gordon, she has done a lot for this country. Decades in the different ministries. Let me tell you this. And trust me, I met her on a live the other night and I introduced her to Squitty's Live because she has a lot to contribute. I mean, she should have served in the different areas of the government. And let me say this, with all respect, I mean, I think she asked for was for us to kind of tone it down a little bit with the name calling. I mean, please take time with her. She's a very decent woman. She is also part of the G2K. She has also worked with the political machinery on the ground in the different constituencies for the Jamaica Labour Party. I'm just asking us as Labour, let us understand these things. Please, thank you very much.
Okay.
Go ahead, Chris.
We don't want somebody who has the experience of the FinSac thing there enough to come up and talk.
Yeah, you have to put it out there.
Squiddy, you have to put it out there. Anybody who will come up, you can borrow my box.
Let me set me fine when she names Spark.
Yeah, we're not going to bring up the lady tonight.
You send message to her today 2 times, you know, me send 2 message to her.
Yeah, man.
No, we start change it. She tell me,
you attack and find him in a night time, I could bring him up.
Because she did the Vassal, you know, Vassal to us. And the shame. Vassal like one good over here, over Canada, you know, Squitty.
Yeah.
What Peter Phil? Yes, man. You know, Wizzy?
Yes,
Yes,
but,
that's what
but hold on, but I've been telling you guys. You know. I can't tell you some of the things them. I mean, when you look at the different part of the constituency, of that part of the Labour right, you know, for the years and years and part of a year, Labour never make no inroads tonight, you know. The man, listen, man, the man is from Prime Minister and the words, the man stepping at them like a damn barn, you know. The man say, listen, no way in the constituency where we not go.
What it do when you do? All about
Because I meet with the people, one of the
say
gatekeepers.
what?
One of the gatekeeper. Let me tell you one thing. You know, so when you go past in some street, you know, so when you go there with the bus and start chat on the mic, you know, so nobody know they come out. But guess what? They tell right now the house and hear squitty.
Yeah.
And that's the message that you need. You don't need them to come to you, you know, just tell them, say, listen, you know, I am here for this, I am here to represent you, I am for you, and this is what I come with. Them can stay right now, they can peep through the window and listen to you. Them not have to come out.
Yeah.
Well, he tell the bad boy, them
Turn
round
speaking.
them. The boy, they hold on.
I want to make a 1 point and jump out and somebody else get a chance.
Yeah, man.
You know, yesterday I came across an article where the Miami Herald was saying that the direction of Jamaica is going in the right direction, and the Prime Minister and his team, if they are elected for the third term, Jamaica will become a powerhouse going forward.
Of course.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. What we want to pick up, you know, is this media bias way where the people are put for the CNN, the NNN.
Oh, yes.
So yes.
Even
pick up.
Even this lady.
Sharon, you want to come in at the box from talk?
You see Kamala Harris we run against Donald Trump?
Yeah.
She also put out a video that Jamaica Holness is the hardest working Prime Minister she has ever seen for a very, very long time.
Yeah.
I don't know how much of live see can come across the video.
This part of see them, but we will not let them not see.
Yeah. Kamala Harris to go against Donald Trump say that.
Before I go,
must
before we
ensure
go,
that he go back up there as the Prime Minister and leader for the country.
Yeah.
Before we go, I just want to say you know, me post a video from my channel this morning that you know, I said that Dean Campbell is endorsing 1 p.m. because he make a statement on the political platform over the weekend. And the way I talk, it sounds like he was definitely endorsing the Prime Minister for the third term.
Yeah.
You know, for those who are on the line, you know.
Yeah. You know, that box no more to come Mr. Charles.
Yeah, let
I'll give my box.
Yeah, I'll come after, but let me just say this.
Yeah. All right.
Yeah, so I am saying that, you know, for those who, you know, we are JLP, so supporting JLP. So for those of you who like the direction of the government, I have a channel, M&M TV over there on YouTube. So you can check me out the same way, because I see him strength. We continue to push, no?
Yeah, man.
All right, man.
So you can check me out now, Brother Squiddy.
All right, respect, man.
Respect.
Bless up.
Yeah, man. I send a request to say the big man, but I'm not saying come up here. I'm Sandra. I'm sending a request to Sandra.
Yeah, somebody says she want to come up. Somebody says she want to come up.
Yeah. I send an invite to her. I'm sending an invite to Mr. Chance. Mr. Chance.
What's that question? What's that question? See, Sharon come up, but let me ask you a question quickly.
Yeah.
Remember that say if Marky G, like him citizenship business, him can't be the Prime Minister. So how that go? That we want to find out. For some chemists.
Well, I was say it work out. All right. Hold on, Sharon. We talk to Ian Dawson before you come on. Hold on, mute the mic, Sharon. Please. Yeah, Dawson. Ian. Ian Dawson.
Yes, Squitty.
Yeah, man. Step up, man.
I'm going to open my mic.
Yeah, man. Your mic up, man. Talk. Yeah.
Squitty, I mean, more of you know, you see, Squitty. And who do that they send us with Bobby Mantica in my ear? Because it's like the PMP them wake up a hand's nest.
I show you not, Ian.
What going on?
I forced me so much labor at one place. Because I did it, no, Squitty. I mean, I tell you.
Yeah.
You know, if PMP then do me black mean. When me ready to drive out, they lock me in. But when I'm bridging, I drive the car. I play them music. So, me tell them to move down little, make me go, make me come out. Actually, one feel me have to drive in a squid if you come out, you know.
Ian, they never see the PMP them a walk through no crowd since night.
Mr. Smitty.
One go to the council and ask him if he want shut a handball and cap can give him.
Mr. Squitty, when me have to go through, me have to run the car through one place, through one command, and cut out and go up on the road. And when me go on, then block me again. Me have to say, no, man, this not look good. Because when we done nominate, we are going to go in a Rockabessa town, go have a meeting.
Yeah.
Them black me in Squitty, but I mean, I tell you, say, they're supposed to have officer running belly in the night. Yeah, I mean, I believe them all get over. Because I forced them as so much labor right one place and an imported crowd.
Yeah.
You see when they see the crowd with Smitty, they send gas central. They send gas central come get crowd. Me have to wind up my window when they pass. Who's the alarm? I mean, I see them in the town, you know. Me no see them in a rock of the town. Me no see PMP them like them gone at them bed. We say he come like halfway tree. He come like Andrew halfway tree. He come like Andrew halfway tree.
Christian,
good night, people. Good night.
Christian, I don't lie, I tell you no because you have to meet now rock up best and your one. I just go to Ian.
Yeah.
Me have to park my car. And walk.
Good night, Squitty.
Walk away that town. Me can't go through.
What on the Darren? Yeah. Yes, sir.
Me have to walk and go through Squitty.
Yeah.
And park my car at one place. Every minute me go look. Me say labor right like a rice grain, me feel good. Because me need understand the pole. Labor right like a rice. Man.
I don't understand suppose so that's the other man at 20. Him. When your boss name at 20% behind.
No go something.
That the crowd look like that the 20 gone, almost the party gone.
Bossy, watch out. They might talk about poll. When Mark Wally do just so what you call the word there? So significant that speed poll jumps so high. When do so significant? That's it poll jumps so high.
Scratch out them body.
Propaganda. When Mark Wally do different. When do different. That fee it was so low. That fee bowlers make a big jump. Boom! I almost tie up.
Hey, people know the strategy where they might use already, you know, so don't make that fright, no.
Alright, you may say no.
Lawrence already taught this strategy already, you know. Lawrence would talk, so we would even talk about that.
Yeah.
Good night, my grandma. Good night. But Squitty, the people them not learning of Squitty. Because me see a video, you know, where they block the road for Mama D. See? They block the road for Mama D today and I tell the woman go suck her mother and she can't pass.
And the train we are grown.
Well, me hear in the background. Me don't know if me can send the video because I save it in a Spitty.
Yeah, man.
You want to hear in the background when they say, oh, they will cut up people and this. You want to hear them. I mean, I said, Jesus, peace, what type of people?
Who not go to prison go to Jamaica?
I mean, I tell you, say the police them did it. The police them did it. Spitty. And the lady have to turn back, you know. Remember, I feel a constituency, I get the AP, you know. And the woman could pass, you know. So, I saw the big.
Yes, I will for people get them knock up the road for enough MP today. All right, hold on, we could talk to Sharon, because Sharon says she wants to say something. Mute the mic, Ian.
Yeah, man, I'm out.
Mute the mic there, Sharon. Mute the mic. Sharon, Miss Sharon. Hello, Miss Garden.
You hearing me?
Yeah, me I hear you now. Yeah, loud and clear.
Good night.
Yeah, good night.
First of all, I want to thank God that there wasn't any incident. I don't have any incident island-wide as it relates to the nomination. That went on. Okay? And I'm pleased for that. And secondly, I was listening, because I couldn't find Squitty and I couldn't find Wizzy. So I was scrolling through. And then I go and mark Prophet Stuart. And for a Christian or a man of God, I don't think he read James 4 and he consecrate himself. He was very awful describing
the man of God. The Prime Minister. The man of Satan.
Right. And I have to tell him that is he really a man of God? Because he was describing the Prime Minister to his audience very bad. And I'm kind of buying him up and then we go through and then find this show. All right. What I'm saying now, you see, what I see of the mass.
Mute the mic now, please. Then I mute the mic. They keep mute the mic.
Don't come here. Yeah, so what I'm saying now, I am impressed with what I see of the nomination of most of the constituents. All right? Most of young people. And you know, I was talking.
Just already playing here.
No, I'm my granddaughter. Go on up here.
Yeah, man, make sure go in the next room or something.
Yeah, sorry about that. Go on in the next room. See, you soon come back.
Yeah, man, the nice that come true, yeah.
Yeah, I'm sorry. All right. So what I'm saying that I was talking to some of the constituents in my area, and you know they are saying that them now listen.
Like the fan. It's sound like the fan, Squitty. Like the fan.
They are saying that they are not impressed with Mr. Crawford as he just come and I promised them like he might have maths class with them and he might give them good. Not saying that that is not a part of, you know, and he's going to do online classes. Yeah?
Which constituency you in?
Northwest with Mr. Amos.
Oh, you're Palestine side.
Amos. Mm-hmm. And he's saying that he might have online with them. So I keep saying to them that don't watch what he's saying because they have heart when they can go up to 4 levels and so don't let him brainwash you.
That him go up Portland.
Yes. Anyhow, so I'm just hoping that the mass that I see is not just the color them have on.
Yeah.
Because I am a different, diverse, a different experience. I used to be a supervisor at polling stations. I have to work the type of job we used to do. And I realized, I said, no, sir, Green, I go win, but I couldn't show myself, say me elated because of my status at the time.
Yeah.
I said, no, sir, I said, I have to look like I have to work with that person, man. That is in Miss Daly's constituency.
Mm-hmm.
right. I mean, I tell you, say, I'm out of green when me see that day, but me couldn't do nothing. You know, me run little joke with them also. And then me I say, no man, it's a peko a guan and so. And then when, you know, it lose. So me I say, I'm praying that these in the, you know, green, they really come out. Understand? Because it's the vote that counts. And I'm just imploring that we maintain we not say we can't mouth other persons, you know. But it's the first me ever listen this and me hear some outburst. Because me never know somebody 11-year-old granddaughter watch it, you know, she send back your link to me because I couldn't find it.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, because you know, civics is very important, and these children, you can break them to say, all right, you have to exercise your franchise. There's nothing wrong with that, also. Understand?
How old is the one we are listening?
12-year-old.
Too young enough, because my thing say 18 and over, and I look funny.
But she listening. But she listening, you know.
Yeah, but
She
you're not
listening.
because
And
the people
that
get
night
it,
when she was listening.
A politics, you know. And when people on this side are here, like them a Black Road pan MP, them a go on. Them a get excited and a politics and they will get carried away as a certain thing.
No man, she not listening. She listening the night when I was on it when Wizzy came across to you.
Yeah.
Yes. All that blockage we're doing now is a treason, you know?
I won't them a try Black Road pan today.
Why? Then all right. I'm just talk for 5 minutes and then you can take me off and because I forgot to tend to my granddaughter. What happened now is when I hear on the nationwide when Mr. Golden say want Tanya, and Davis and Emily. How can he dictate that?
You know them are going to run the country if them get a little piece of power. You hear Andrew say? And the fumes of power. Make them a go answer.
Man.
And secondly, yes,
you
and secondly,
you know like a sit down say a man a bun a split and you can't
because secondly,
go on with the man, you know.
Yes, because secondly, AI can't help him. AI can't help him. Because if you notice when him a give him presentation to iPhone, him a look on, you know.
Yeah.
And not written, you know. A phone him a score. So AI I go give him a problem and he knows say he can impress us with his answer. And you see, when if me not say now come in power, but that man
He now come.
Right, that's why I say it. He now come in power because if that man is very revengeful, because you see have NN at there, which he is not a part of the debate committee. I mean, I feel good about that.
Oh, hold on, Miss Sharon. Hold on a minute. I know you're going to run, but hold on for a couple of seconds. But, Scotty, you know what this is telling us? Look, the amount of disrespect with people disrespect and journalists and in the pay them no mind. You know, say for the PNP, we couldn't do it. Labour couldn't do it. It is still